problema lang itong NPA keeps on fighting. You know, guys, 50 years should be enough. I saw your face when we were young, and I could see your face now. Well, any dermatologist would be happy to fix you. But you know, that is not our... Hindi ko nga maggamot-gamot. I forgot the medicine again for this afternoon. Eh, ganun talaga, nasunog, hindi na. I have to go to camps, almost. I have to be with my soldiers, wherever there is some stressful moments. So, gano'n na lang ang sakripisyo ko. Pero itong droga, alam mo may advice, maraming reaction siya na